Hi, welcome to WonderTech. This is our first video. Today we are doing the unboxing of Acer Aspire 7. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Okay, here is the box. Let's open it. The packing is okay. It's a usual generic box. Nothing much to say. Let's keep the laptop aside and look at the other contents inside the box. The charger is a conventional old one, not the USB-C type. Slight disappointment there. Apart from the charger, we get a user manual, some other paperwork, and an international travel warranty card. So, let's take a look at the specs. It is an Intel Core i5 quad-core 9th generation laptop with 512 GB SSD capacity. It got a decent RAM of 8 GB DDR4 type, which is expandable up to 32 GB. The normal clock speed is 2.4 GHz and can be clocked up to 4.1 GHz. It has two memory slots, and one of the main attractions which makes it worth buying is the graphic processor. It has got a NVIDIA Gen 4 GTX 1650 processor with 4 GB GDDR6 VRAM inside it. We have been using this laptop over a week, so now I will share my honest opinion about the different aspects of this laptop. First, display. It is sharp and adequately bright, with grey viewing angles. There is no bleeds in the screen. The colors are a bit saturated, just the way it should be. For a gaming machine, it's a very good display, but professional photo editors will look for a much better display. The display comprises of full HD backlit IPS panel with good resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixel. The screen size is 15.6 inch with a screen to body ratio of 81.61%. It also got a decent HD 720p webcam. The laptop weighs around 2.1 kg. It has got a good build quality, although it is a plastic build. When we check on the left side of the laptop, we can see two USB 3.0 Type-A ports and a USB 3.0 Type-C port, along with an HDMI port and a RJ45 LAN port. On the right side of the laptop, there is a charging port, a USB 2.0 Type-A port, and a 3.5mm jack. When we look at the bottom side, there is a cooling vent accompanied by two speakers. The keyboard is really nice with tactile keys, which is very comfortable for typing. And the keys are backlit, which can be switched on and off as our wish. The power button is also included in the keyboard and is placed at the top right corner, but it can trigger accidental switch off. Apart from that, the keyboard is excellent. Next, the touchpad. The touch response works very well. I have seen better ones, but in this laptop, the main attraction is the inbuilt fingerprint sensor on the top left of the touchpad, and it works perfectly alright. Next, the sound. The volume is on the lower side. The quality of sound is just fine for regular use and casual gaming. Plug in your headphones and the true sound capabilities come alive. I am yet to try any third-party app that amps the output. Next, heat management. Heating of this system is very low compared to other laptops in the same category. But the fan is set whenever the graphics card is loaded. But it is expected and tolerable. And I couldn't find the system running too hot while gaming. So according to me, the heating management of the system is very good. Next, the performance. It got a phenomenal startup speed which hovers around 7 seconds. It even has a lightning fast context switch even for the most demanding apps. This laptop is really good at multitasking, and also the Wi-Fi range and reception is excellent. I'm not going to delve into the core hardware capabilities which are already mentioned in the specs. You can check that. Next, the battery backup. In our stimulated test, we can find that it goes a decent 7 hours for casual use, and for the intense gaming, it got a 3.5 hours. While this is much less compared to the specs they are mentioning, it is really enough for the purpose it is built for. So, my final verdict is Acer Aspire 7 rocks. Go for it and you will not be disappointed. It is a real value for money. Overall, a powerful machine with decent peripherals with some shortcomings. But for 55,000, it is a real deal. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.